and a maximum.
Welcome to the crease. That is some swipe. Sound again, once again, off Fakhr's bat into his favoured leg side, 85 metres.
Absolutely powerfully hit by Fakhr. He hit one there earlier. It's almost a replica stroke from him.
The Pindi crowd, they're being entertained. Fakhr fireworks. 4, and now 6. And the beauty in those shots have been the delicate.
And away he goes. You just knew it. As soon as the 100 was passed, Fakhr was going to light the blue touch paper and send one out of the park.
Butcher wanted Pakistan to get on with it, and Fakhr Zaman right on the next delivery out of the park.
Down the wicket and smashes that one into the